Struggling to get viewers to click your cards? Most creators add them wrong. Here is exactly how to add cards in YouTube Studio that actually get clicks. We will start by opening your video in the editor, then choose the right card type, set the perfect timestamp, and customize it to maximize engagement. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard. This is the main hub for everything. Once you are there, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Content. This will show you a list of all your uploaded videos. Now, find the specific video you want to add a card to. Just click on the video title or that little pencil icon to open it up for editing. This will take you into the Video Details page. From the left-hand menu again, this time you want to click on Editor. This is where all the good stuff happens. It might take a moment for the timeline to load. Once you are in the editor, look for the option that says Infocards. Go ahead and click on that. A new window will pop up, and this is where you choose what kind of card you want to create. There are 4 options, and each one serves a different purpose. First up is the video card. This lets you link to another public YouTube video. It is perfect for linking to a part 2 of your current video or a relevant tutorial you have made. You just search for the video, select it, and you are good to go. Next is the playlist card. Use this one to suggest a full playlist of content. If you are doing a series on a topic and you want people to binge the whole thing, this is the way to go. Then there is the channel card. This one features another channel. It is a great way to do shoutouts or collaborate with other creators. You just type in their channel name and it pulls them up. And finally, there is the link card. Now pay attention to this one because it has a requirement. You need to be in the YouTube Partner Program to use external links. If you are, this lets you link to an approved website like a Patreon or a merchandise store. Now, here is the part that a lot of people overlook. You have to tell YouTube exactly when to show the card. Look at the timeline slider at the bottom of the screen. Drag it to the exact second where you want the card to appear. I have tested this across dozens of videos, and timing is everything. You want the card to pop up right when you are talking about that specific topic or link. This is backed by official YouTube documentation, and it makes a huge difference in click-through rates. Once you have set the time, you can customize the look. Add a teaser text. This is the short headline that appears on the card. Keep it snappy and action-driven, like, "Watch the full tutorial here." Then you have the option to add a custom message. This is a bit of extra text that appears when someone hovers over the card. Use it to add a little urgency or context. And when you are happy with everything, just click the Save button. That is it. Your card is now live in your video. You can repeat these steps to add more cards throughout the same video. Just remember, YouTube allows up to 5 cards per video, so use them wisely. You now know exactly how to add them the right way.